Ladies and gentlemen, every person dreams of living a better life, full of purpose, peace and progress. Yet most people keep waiting for the right time to begin. The truth is, the right time is not next year, not next week, not tomorrow. It is today. Imagine if you took the next 30 days seriously, dedicating yourself to new habits, new thoughts and new actions. 1 month may seem short, but it is enough to transform your mindset, your health, your relationships, and even your future. Your mornings set the tone for your entire day. Waking up early, even just 30 minutes earlier than usual, gives you time to focus on yourself before the world distracts you. Use this time for reflection, journaling, prayer or meditation and exercise. When you win your mornings, you win your days. And when you win your days consistently, you win your life. Your life is shaped by the thoughts you consume. In 1 month, commit to replacing social media scrolling with positive, educational, and uplifting content. Read books, listen to motivational podcasts, or study something that improves your skills. What you feed your mind today will be reflected in the results you see tomorrow. Your body is the foundation of everything you do. In 30 days, you can create a routine of drinking more water, eating clean meals, and exercising at least 20-30 minutes a day. Small, consistent actions compound. When your health improves, your energy, focus, and confidence rise, and that impacts every area of your life. Clutter is not just physical, it's mental and emotional too. In the next month, clear your space, organize your environment, and let go of toxic people or habits that drain your energy. The lighter your life feels, the more space you have for growth and positivity. Change does not come from random effort. It comes from clear direction. Decide exactly what you want in the next 30 days. Write down your goals, break them into weekly actions, and review your progress daily. A written goal gives you clarity, focus, and accountability. Your mindset is your greatest tool. Start and end your day by writing 3 things you are grateful for. In 1 month, this simple act rewires your brain to focus on abundance instead of lack. Gratitude reduces stress, builds happiness, and attracts more opportunities into your life. Your morning is the foundation of your entire day, and the way you begin your day determines the energy, focus, and discipline you carry with you for the next 24 hours. Most people underestimate the power of mornings, but in reality, the first hour after waking up is the most crucial part of your day. It is when your mind is fresh, your thoughts are clear, and your body is ready to receive direction. If you fill this sacred time with chaos, distractions, and negativity, the rest of your day will often follow the same pattern. But if you fill it with peace, purpose, and productivity, you are setting yourself up for success. Mastering your morning doesn't mean you must wake up at 4 a.m. like some gurus preach. It means waking up intentionally. Even waking up 30 minutes earlier than your usual time can create an incredible shift. Use that extra time to focus on yourself before the world demands your attention. Don't begin your day scrolling through social media or checking emails. That only puts you in a reactive state, responding to other people's lives instead of leading your own. Instead, create a morning ritual that gives you clarity, focus, and energy. Start with silence, whether through meditation, prayer, or deep breathing, to center your mind. Then move your body. It doesn't have to be an intense workout. Even a short stretch, a walk, or 20 push-ups will wake you up and release energy. Next, feed your mind with something positive. Read a few pages of a book, listen to an inspiring talk, or write in a journal. These practices may seem small, but repeat it every day for 1 month. They transform you. When you master your morning, you take control of your mindset before anyone else can influence it. You program yourself for positivity before negativity tries to creep in. You fill your cup before giving to others. And this simple habit, repeated daily, becomes the foundation for a life of discipline, productivity, and growth. Think of your morning as the steering wheel of your entire day. If you begin your morning with intention, you steer your life toward clarity, energy, and success. If you start your morning with laziness, chaos, or distractions, your entire day easily slips out of control. That's why successful people all over the world, from entrepreneurs to athletes to leaders, guard their mornings carefully. Now, let me ask you this. What is the first thing you do when you wake up? For most people, it's grabbing their phone. Within seconds, they're bombarded with notifications, messages, and the lives of other people. Without even realizing it, their brain starts the day in a state of stress, comparison, and distraction. And once that cycle begins, it's very hard to regain focus. But imagine this, what if instead of reaching for your phone, you reached for your purpose? What if the first voice you heard in the morning was your own, telling yourself who you are and what you want to achieve? That single shift changes everything. Mastering your morning is not about waking up at some extreme hour. It's about taking ownership of your first hour. For example, first 10 minutes silence. Sit in gratitude. Meditate or pray. Begin your day with calmness instead of chaos. Next 10 minutes movement. Do something physical, a short workout, stretching, or even a brisk walk. This wakes up your body and clears your mind. Next 10 minutes growth. Feed your mind. Read a book, write in a journal, or listen to something uplifting. Pour knowledge and positivity into yourself before the world pours its negativity onto you. That's just 30 minutes, yet it has the power to set the tone for the next 16 hours of your day. When you consistently follow this for a month, you'll notice that you are calmer in stressful situations, sharper in your work, and more confident in your decisions. Think about it, 1 month of waking up with purpose instead of reacting to life will reprogram your mind. You'll begin to carry yourself differently. People will notice your energy. You'll stop dragging yourself through the day and instead start leading your day. Mastering your morning is like planting a seed. At first, it may feel small or even uncomfortable, but with consistency, it grows into discipline, confidence, and momentum. And that momentum spreads into every area of your life. Your mind is the control center of your life. Everything you think, everything you believe, and everything you allow to take root in your thoughts eventually shows up in your actions, your habits, and your reality. If your mind is filled with negativity, comparison, and distractions, your life will reflect the same.